Hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video I will tell you how you can solve pink screen issues in your laptops or in your computer system. So this problem is very common problem, and this problem can be solved very easily if this problem is a software problem. But in case if this problem is a hardware problem, okay, so it's gonna cost you some money. Why it gonna cost you some money? Answer is very simple. Your laptop hardware is damaged. Something in your laptop or in your system is damaged, which gonna be repaired or which gonna be replaced, which will cost you some money. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how you can solve software problem and how you can solve hardware problem. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to show you some practicals. I'm not going to show you practicals, okay, because I'm not the expert on this field and I'm not the right person to show you a practical. Okay, so I know some information about this problem, so I wanted to share this. So let's start the video now. Okay, so first thing is you need to determine what kind of problem you are having. You are having hardware problem or you are having software problem. So it's very easy to determine which kind of problem you are having. Okay, just connect your laptop or computer system with external monitor, okay, and just turn on your computer system. Okay, after this, see the external monitor. If external monitor looks like pink screen, looks like pinky screen or greenish, bluish, it means it's a software problem. Okay, and this problem can be solved just by updating your softwares. Okay, just update your software, install the stable versions of the graphic cards, okay, graphics. Okay, so this problem gonna be solved easily, very easily. Okay, and make sure you uninstall all unwanted applications, because in some cases these unwanted applications create these kind of issues. So make sure you have uninstalled those unwanted applications. Okay, and now second is how to determine if it's a hardware problem. So connect your system with the external monitor, and if external monitor looks perfect, it looks perfect, it means it's a hardware problem. You're having hardware problem, so you need to repair your hardware. Okay, in this case, in hardware case, I will recommend you to show your laptop to some professionals. Okay, they will take care of your laptop, they will repair your laptop. Okay, and I will suggest you one more thing here. Okay, if you can do this, please do this. Okay, please do this, try at least one time. Just open your laptop and clean it from inside and reconnect all the wires. Okay, reconnect all the wires and assemble it again, and just turn on your computer system. If it works, it means you have solved the problem. If it doesn't work, it means something is damaged in your computer system. So in that case, you need to show your laptop to some professionals. Okay, and make sure you show your laptop to more than 2 or 3 professionals, because sometimes people cost you very high, some people cost you very low. So you also need to take care of these things also. Okay, so this is how you can solve this problem. It's very common problem, and don't worry, it can be solved very easily. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. So thank you so much. Bye, take care.